To create a class in Remind, first you would go to remind.com, and then from here you would click on Login in the top right corner. And then from here, what you would do to create a class is in the top left corner, you'd click on Create a Class. Then from here, you would type in the name of the class. And what would happen is it would automatically generate a class code. And then from here, you would click on Create. You'll notice that it says I will only message people 13 or older, but we will be covering how you would be able to message students that are under 13. Basically, they would have to put in a parent email. So you're going to click on Create. So then from here, in order to have people join, you'll see that there is an Add People button in the top right corner. You click on Add People, and you have the ability to put in their name, phone number, or email. The other option is you can give printable PDFs. What that does, I'm just going to click on download really quickly, and it's going to give kind of directions on how they would join. So they could either go to the URL that's here, or they could text to 81010 and then put in the class code. So anyway, we'll be showing how you would basically do that from the point of view of a student. I'm going to do that right now, actually. So just to kind of give you an idea, what'll happen is from the student point of view, they would text to 81010, and then they would put in the class code in the text. So for example, the text, the class code was at Foley HRM. What happens is it'll reply asking them for their birthday. They'll put in their birthdays. You can see I purposely put one here under the age of 13. And then it says that we need to let your parents know, and then it'll say reply with a parent's email address or phone number. And so then here we can see that we replied in this case with a parent's email address. It'll ask for the parent's full name, and then it'll say that they've joined. So anyway, that's how students would join, and essentially the parents would get an email saying that their child has joined Remind and that they do indeed need parental permission. Anyway, so just to get back to the Remind, basically to get back to the Remind app, you can also do in-person instructions, which again are the same thing. It just shows how you would text to 81010 or share a link. Either way, students would be able to join. I'm just going to click on close here just so I can demonstrate how to send a message. So I'm actually going to go over to my math class just because I already have people set up. If you click on people, you can see that I'm the teacher, and then I have 2 students and a parent. So anyway, if you click on messages, and then from here, what you can do is type in your message. So you just click in the bottom of the screen, and then you can put your message. So something like just a reminder that your second discussion prompt is due tomorrow. Okay, so then from here you have the ability, you can add a link from Google Classroom. So then you would just simply click on your account, allow, and in this case, what it's doing is it's linking all of my different assignments as well. So anyway, what I would do is I could click on the actual assignment, then it'll put in the link to the assignment as well. You have the ability to translate into different languages. Anyway, that being said, you would click on send.